Rise and ground, folks. What we have here is just a simple contactor that was replaced during the maintenance. As you can see, we're disconnecting our wires and take a look at that old contactor. Wow, that was a low voltage short waiting to happen. So we got that ripped out, got our new contactor in place, getting everything dry fitted in, retwist our old L1 and L2, slap that back onto the contactor, and then voila, we're good to go. Peace out, see you.